Hi, my name is Rick Sanchez. I'm with a company called Tractor Tip. What we have for sale here is a Bobcat 463. We're going to talk a little bit about the mechanics of this particular machine, the first clip, the operating specs in the second, and we'll run it in the third. Price on a new machine like this is about $30,000. As far as the name Bobcat and skid steer are synonymous. They're ubiquitous out there. In 2009, Bobcat changed the nomenclature from 463 to S70. I think the only other manufacturer that builds a skid steer this size is New Holland, and they build an L125. This machine is powered with Auxilary Hydraulics, as you can see up there. It's a 10 GPM. It'll run a variety of attachments: snowblower, grapple, breaker. This coupler right here is a universal coupler, which you can put any size bucket on this machine. Any skid steer, it'll adapt to any bucket. As far as the engine's concerned, it's powered with a 22.5 Kubota diesel engine. It's mechanically sound. Everything on it works. The transmission propels with no problem to the top speed of about 6.5 miles per hour. The drive motors have plenty of power, enabling this machine to counter-rotate, which you'll see here in a minute when we run it. The tires are about 50%. There are no cuts. Anywhere on the tires. The tires are 5.7 by 20s. It's the tire size. They all match. They're pneumatic tires. The hydraulics on this machine are strong. There are no cracks or welds anywhere in the work equipment. There's no deflection at all in the pins and the bushings. The cutting edge is probably about 50%, and we're going to talk about the specs in the next clip. Okay, as far as the operating specs of this 463, this bucket right here is about 36 inches wide. I would say it's probably a fifth to maybe a quarter of a yard heaped. The loader hinge pin height right here is 7 foot 9 inches. Right here, if you were dumping into a dumpster. The breakout force on this bucket is 1,900 pounds. The static tip load for this machine is 1,400 pounds. And the operating load at 50% of its tip is 700 pounds. And it's also got auxiliary hydraulics, which you can see right here. And the auxiliary hydraulics are 10 GPM. One thing I'd like to say about the operating load is that this machine, the hydraulics are so powerful on this machine that the machine will actually tip before the hydraulics give out. So you're limited more by the weight of the machine than the hydraulic capacity. That's it.